Welcome guys, Creamball back again with another reaction video to watch called Let Them Mix Sweet Melody official music video. This is pretty new, so we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. And I'm not gonna lie, the thumbnail.
In a whole other life, there was this boy that I knew. He made me feel like a woman. We were young and silly fools. Anyway, he was in the band, full of songs about me. I wasn't crazy about the words, but the melodies were sweet. When someone like do 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 do. Even too many chances, push my keys too many times. Anyway, he started acting up, but now be on my way to leave. But I stuck to my tracks when I heard this melody. Anyway, like do 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 do.
Yo, Leia look like a ninja, bro. I like that transition.
He used to sing me sweet melodies. He played me, made me believe it was real love. Sang me sweet melodies, but the day he did me. He would lie, he would cheat, over syncopated beats. I was just his tiny dance, so he had control of my feet. Yes, when he came along, that's when I lost the groove. There was no song in the world to sing along or make me move. Silence all like
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, the rhythm tone, good, bruh. The rhythm tone. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
on and on. He used to sing me sweet melodies.
Oh my god, what the hell is going on here?
Made me believe it was real love.
They are just in the dirty wine.
Sweet melodies, but the day he did me wrong. The song couldn't go on and on.
No, no.
On and on. His sweet melodies, yeah. He played me, made me believe it was real love. Sweet melodies, but the day he did me wrong.
Man, yo,
On and on.
they're doing that for a reason, bro. Man, Jade looking fine. Alright guys, this is the end of the reaction video. I really like the rhythm. Really like the rhythm of this song, bro. Nice for the chill, relaxing song, you know? So this is the end of the reaction video. Peace out.